Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your Amazon A to Z employee account. This portal is essential for Amazon employees and contractors to manage their work schedules, view pay information, and access important workplace resources. Let's walk through the login process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to atoes.amazon.work. This is the official URL for the Amazon A to Z employee portal. Simply type this address into your browser's address bar and press enter. The page will load and you'll be taken to the login screen where you can access your employee account. Now, I should mention that I don't actually have an account myself since I'm not an Amazon employee or contractor, but I'll guide you through what the next steps look like so you can follow along when you do have access. Once the page loads, you'll see a field asking for your Amazon alias. This is your unique employee identifier that Amazon assigns to you when you join the company. Go ahead and enter your Amazon alias in this field, then click the Continue button. This will take you to the next stage of the authentication process. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login information. Click Continue to proceed. You'll then see a password field appear on your screen. Type your password carefully in the password field. Make sure you're entering it exactly as you set it up, paying attention to capitalization and any special characters. After entering your password, look for the Sign In button, which may also be labeled as Login depending on your region. Click this button to proceed with the authentication. At this point, the system will verify your credentials and prepare to grant you access. Now, here's an important security step. Amazon takes account security very seriously, so you'll likely be prompted to complete an additional verification step. This could be approving a notification in the Amazon Work app on your mobile device or entering a code from your mobile authenticator. Follow whichever method your account is set up to use. This extra layer of security ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone else knows your password. After completing the security step, you may see a button that says Approve or Verify. If this appears, click it to confirm your identity and complete the authentication process. Once you've successfully authenticated, the system will redirect you to the Amazon A to Z homepage. This is your main dashboard where you can access all the features and tools available to you as an Amazon employee. From here, you'll be able to manage your schedule, check your time off balance, view pay stubs, and much more. And that's it. You're now successfully logged into your Amazon A to Z employee account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.